What's good, y'all? I'm Oscar. This is OG Garage's channel. I had filmed this intro previously and I accidentally deleted it. So in this video, I'm just basically explaining how to change the reinforcement bar on the Trailblazer SS. As you can see, there's been some changes to the truck. It isn't how it was in the video, but we'll get to that in another time. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little startup. It does have a pretty bad exhaust leak at the manifold, but I mean, it'll get fixed with time. So let me go ahead and set you guys up so you guys can hear this this startup. As y'all can see, this isn't the original grill for the Trailblazer. This is a regular Trailblazer grill. I do have the Trailblazer SS grill. My body guy has it. He also has the front bumper. As you guys see, it is cracked along with the fender. So we're gonna go ahead and be replacing those soon. But as of now, let's get to it and move the bumper and get to replacing the crash bar. Alright, so as y'all can see, I already took off the grill. It's just held on by a couple of clips that are located along the top and this middle part right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the bumper. There's two 10mm that are holding it up top. I have one that's missing right there. And then I do believe there are some brackets underneath. On this side, it doesn't have it because like I said, that crash bar is bent. But I believe we do have it on this side. I'm just not sure if you can see under it. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. But let's go ahead and take those out and take the bumper off. So as y'all can see, I was struggling with that bolt down there at the bottom, at the corner of the bumper. It was actually a 13, and you guessed it, broke right in half. So as of now, the only thing holding it is that bolt right there. So we're gonna go ahead, take it off, and then remove the bumper. So as y'all can see, we took off the bumper, it's out of the way. Go ahead and remove this little pad. We're gonna go ahead and be removing those two bolts. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and take them off and see if we're lucky enough that they don't strip or break. So let's get to it. Alright, so as y'all can see, here is the new one, brand new, and then there's the old one. You could definitely tell where it was hit. That bad kink right there. Let's go ahead and replace it. So there it is, without the front reinforcement bar. These are the two bolts that we took out. As you can see, they're pretty long. They go ahead and go through those holes, and they go ahead and thread into these nuts that come with the bracket, and then they go ahead and hold it in place. Alright, so as y'all can see, I went ahead and cleaned these bolts up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put some anti-seize. I did go ahead and just spray a little bit of black paint over it. It's just my OCD, but I mean, can't really do anything about it. I live in the rust bucket, so it's pretty bad weather. I also don't think I mentioned, but the top bolts and the bottom bolts are 21s. Just in case you guys want to go ahead and, you know, skip through this video and try to find out the sizes. Alright, so we'll go ahead and show the finished product. As y'all can tell, there it is. Brand new crash bar. No longer bent. Does make it look a little better. Not only that, but it's not that rusty. So hopefully in the next couple of videos, we'll be seeing more of this truck getting built, or I should say fixed. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.